If you're encountering the Cloud Save Error 2025 in GTA 5, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and easily. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A poor connection can lead to issues with cloud saves. Step 2. Restart the game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted files and repairs them automatically. Step 4. Clear cloud save data. Access the cloud save settings in your game launcher and clear any corrupted save data. This may help in syncing your game properly with the cloud. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Rockstar Support for assistance. They can provide further troubleshooting steps or identify if there are server issues affecting cloud saves. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cloud save error and get back to enjoying your game.